Hey guys, this is Rudy. I want to welcome you back to my channel. You may or may not know my story, but I worked in corporate America for 14 plus years. I was a manager, engineer, the whole gamut. And I left corporate America to start my own business about 9 months ago. And I've been looking for that car. I currently have a Camaro SS and I've been looking at the Maserati, and you might have saw my previous video. I actually went to the configurator to build a Corvette Grand Sport. So I'm looking at the Corvettes right now. I found a cool video I wanted to share with you, actually showing a Corvette being built in the factory. I think it's cool. You know, I really like automation, engineering, all that stuff. So it goes right up my alley. The reason why I'm looking at this Corvette is like I really put so much effort and put so much energy in my business, and it's kind of just one of those things of just another token, another little gift to myself to show that, man, if you show up every day, you put in the work, you persevere, and you believe in yourself, anything is possible. And this is just gonna be one of those things that remind me to continue to keep striving and keep persevering and keep pressing on. You can do the same thing. Just believe in yourself and take action. And make sure you like, subscribe, share my content, comment below if you like this style of content, and I'll do my best to continue to bring you great content and value. So I'm gonna take you on over to the factory. Let's go. I must say, working in a facility, everybody's wearing their safety equipment, their PPE. That's good to see. And this automation is like sick. We got looks like some Fanuc robots. I work in a lot of plants with, Fanuc robots for my maintenance organization. Just have to work on them and stuff. They're taking that. The precision is amazing. And these robots, I mean, they can just operate. You can turn the lights out and these things keep right on going. Uh-oh, somebody didn't have the safety glasses on. Uh-oh. Unless there's a certain area of the plant where they don't have to, but I've always been fascinated by automotive plants. Everything. If you notice, the vehicle's slowly moving. It's not moving fast, but it's slowly moving. So there's no opportunity for things to just stop. The product is constantly moving. That's good stuff. I remember going to, it was actually a Volvo truck facility, and they had a truck. I don't know if you know anything about like tack time. It's like the rhythm of things, you know, coming through production. And actually, they had a big rig coming out off the line every 7 seconds or every 7 minutes. I forget the time frame. I think it's every 7 minutes. Every 7 minutes, the truck was going out the door. It was amazing. The truck come up, hit the dyno to go through some tests, and it's out the door. It was just like that. Now, it took more than 7 minutes to make a product, but that's how fast, once they started that line, that's how fast things were coming out the door. There it is. So I picked out the white, the Arctic white. Just got finished building that, so I can't wait to get to that point where I can actually place an order, or I might get a pre-owned certified. So we'll see. Man, look at the tools, the ratchets and stuff. Very ergonomic. Oh, look at the wheels. And that's how you put on some lug nuts. You're not messing around. Everything's precision, probably torque to the right settings and everything. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Bowling green. Got his thickness gauges, checking gaps, filler gauges. Nice, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit. Looks good too. See, then they go on the dyno. I think that's the dyno stuff they're testing it. Yeah, so that's basically like the big rig plant. They run on dyno, do the last checks, and then it goes out the door. And every car is custom to whatever the customer wanted. Everything has all the different, there's some red sashes and red calipers. Look at the different type of wheels, black rims. So I hope you enjoyed this, man. I come from manufacturing, engineer, so I like cars and stuff too. So I just wanted to share just a little bit, give a little commentary.